Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. Woo! I feel like singing today, man, because I am excited. Bum, 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 bum. We will Onpassive you. Get that in your head. Stick it in your head, guys. Onpassive is here, folks. We're crazy, we're loud, and we're proud. That's what we do as Onpassive founders. All right. Want to thank Red for an excellent recap this morning. Marty just did an excellent live on branding, guys. I appreciate all you do. Always fun to watch that and talk to you on a daily basis and educate myself more. You guys all saw Mr. Mafara. He jumped on the roundtable yesterday. He wasn't there long, but he didn't have to be there long because what he said was powerful. It was exciting. I'm crazy. I'm nuts today just because of what he said. And if you want to find out what he said, you got a couple options. You can watch Red Redford's recap. You can check out Peter Shore's notes, or you can go in the back office also and see Ash say it for himself. Pretty cool stuff there, guys. I am very fired up. Let me tell you what's going on today. In an hour and a half, we have the 2 o'clock guest webinar. And why am I talking about that guest webinar? Because guess what? Time is running out. My predictions, well, I don't want to give you predictions, but it's okay, a couple weeks. That's my predictions. The founder's position will come to an end. That means no more forever. And let me tell you, if you don't got your family in this, if you don't got your friends in this, they're going to miss out. You can still be a reseller after we launch. And boy, we're going to get the resellers because then they can see it. But right now, if you don't see Dubai, if I've been posting pictures of Dubai, the billboards, Mohammed Kamal, our brother, has been all over. He's become a live monster. I'm putting him up there as a live monster #1 this week. And I absolutely love it, Mohammed. And he's showing Dubai from all different angles. He's showing that big tall building that I can never pronounce, Burj Khalifa. I think that's what you call it. From all angles, and it's beautiful. And Mohammed, we're loving every one of those. So today at 2 o'clock, get people to that guest webinar. All right? Let them know to get back to you after they see that guest webinar. It's a quick one. I'm not sure who's giving the presentation today. I forgot to ask that. Usually it's Mike Ellis. So I don't know if Mike's going to be doing that today, but it will be someone very good. Hopefully Susie McRae will get out and break out a presentation because she's great at it too. But whoever it is, it'll be great. I'm very excited today, 9 o'clock p.m. As soon as I do this live, I'm going to post the link and the wonderful poster Bill Musk made about Obless, and it's at 9 o'clock p.m. tonight, EDT. It's EDT now, I think, because of the time change, but that always messes me up. I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very nervous. I want to get this going. And man, I tell you what, I got so many requests from so many people telling me their ideas, and it was actually overwhelming. I called quite a few of you yesterday. I talked to you. There are a couple special guests. I'm going to try to have special guests on every single Tuesday at 9 o'clock. I'm going to keep it to an hour, a little more if we have to go. That's not a problem. And it's going to be exciting, but I'm calling you out again. Anyone that's out there that knows someone that works or deals with homelessness, poverty, I want to hear them. I want to hear what they do, what they say. I want them to educate us all. Very, very, very exciting. That is at 9 o'clock. It's like I said, as soon as I get done with this live, I will post it in the back office under webinars. Don't forget, woo! We will Onpassive you. I don't sing as good as Jeannie there, but I try. Love that. Put it in your head. Get that tune in your head and sing it all day. All day long, I want to see people beating on their table. All right, scaring the heck out of your dogs. Keep it going. Keep it strong. Keep it happy, guys. What Ash Mafara was saying yesterday was so exciting. And people, we're in Dubai. Hey, did I tell you? We're in Dubai. We're not only in Dubai, but we're really high in Dubai. All right? The tallest building in the world, the highest office in the world, 151 and 134 offices, okay? Pretty soon, I'm sure in the next month or so, we'll start getting some pictures of the inside as they furbish it up there. Very excited to see that. But all you need to know is that Onpassive is in Dubai, guys. We're in Dubai and we're flying high, man. There's nothing that's going to stop this. It's going to keep going strong. I will tell you what Ash said, that the big event on Friday is going to be shot in 9 locations in a professional manner. This is going to be seen all over the world again. Also, it's going to be published in many, many magazines, high-tech magazines, all kind of magazines that goes out to millions and millions of people. All right, Ash Mafar has told us this. He's been telling us this for quite a while. It's going to happen. Guess what, folks? It's happening. It's happening. You can't do any better. There's nothing better out there. Onpassive is the place to be. Residual income is going to help you out so much you have no idea. All right, let me say some highs before I start forgetting people. Patty McWigan, what's happening, Patty? Pat Parent, how you doing? Another live monster. Crazy, crazy, love it. Annetta Curry, what's happening? Oh, Kulturian, Seti, how you doing? Jay Mookie, there's another live monster. Keep it going, Jay. Robert Tantulo, who's that Tantulo guy from New Jersey? We know who he is. Marcine, how you doing, beautiful? Pat Parent, again, unstoppable. We are unstoppable. Nothing can stop us. Marty DeGarmo, boom, bang, boom. Great live, brother. Marty talked about branding, and I was telling everyone, trying to make people laugh. Yep, I even got hey, 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 branded in my underwear here. Branding is very important, especially when you're going on vacation. You don't want to lose your underwear. Remember that. Lister T, how you doing? You a troublemaker. Where's Bill Musk? Hamid Khan, Dave Rose Eskley, there's another angel. I will talk to her. Hey, Dave, that would be great. Get her on. We're going to do this every single Tuesday. And if it gets really, really big and gets going, I might have to extend maybe another day or just maybe make it a little longer. We'll see how that goes. All right, who else is on here? My laptop is goofing up on me here again. If I don't say hi to you, I always get you in the comments. But where's Bill Must? Bill, I better see you on here. John White, where's my 2 biggest fans? Hey guys, guess what tomorrow is? Onpassive 360. Woo! I am so fired up, guys. Get fired up. Stay excited. Do you have any idea what's coming your way? Do you have any idea how we're going to change the world? Get it in your head. We're not going to stop. Ash Mafara, he don't sleep. He keeps going and going and going. And I want you to keep going. Get excited. Get people to that guest webinar today at 2 o'clock. Let's get your family. Let's get people that need help. Help them out. If you got those extra funds, gift it to them. It's a wonderful feeling, okay? Let's just get going on this. Keep it strong. If you got a birthday today, happy birthday to you. Woo! I should be a rock star. Anyway, if you're sick, always praying for you. I take that very seriously. Still praying for those 2 countries, Russia and Ukraine. Pray that war stops, and just pray that it stops. It's horrible. Anyway, Onpassive. Onpassive is in Dubai. And yes, we're really high. Onpassive in Dubai. Did you say that? I did say that. Onpassive's in Dubai? Absolutely. You know it. Onpassive's in Dubai. All right, I'm here to fire you up. I'm here to get excited. Do not forget tonight, 9 o'clock. Oh, bless. Oh, bless. All right, I will be doing this tonight. Peter Shore, my partner, will be flying from Arizona back to Michigan. He will be on next week's because he's my partner, and we're going to be doing this together. So don't forget that. But Pete will be traveling back to Michigan, so he'll be able to miss the first one, and he's really, really bummed about it. So, but guys, let's do this. We got a lot of work to do, and you'll find that out tonight. I'll be breaking down some stats, just not a lot of stats, just a little. But my gosh, I can't wait to hear you guys talk. Some of the ideas that you guys email me constantly are really good. Let's talk about it. Let's get this going. Let's start this movement. Is Bill Must on here yet? Bill Must, if you're not on here, I'm going to be so unhappy. Mafoos is in the house. Hey, Mafoos, Bangladesh, what's happening, brother? Ferris Wright, Theo Arfandis, how you doing? We have a new singer. Oh no, Lystra, with this scraggly voice, I probably have to. Listen, I'd have to stop talking for 2 weeks to fix this voice. And that ain't gonna happen. Then my last breath is gonna be on passive. All right? Think like that, guys. It's coming. It's coming fast. It's coming hard. And my goodness, are you gonna be happy? Change the way you think. Change your lives. Help people out. Correction to the corruption. Everything legal and legit. That's what a passive is, guys. Everything legal and legit. When's the last time you heard a company say that? All right? Ain't happening, but a passive, it's happening. So get yourself fired up. Stay positive. Remember, 2 o'clock, yes. 9 o'clock, oh, bless. Say yes to oh, bless. Say yes to oh, bless. Did I tell you we're in Dubai? We're in Dubai, we're in Dubai, we're in Dubai. Make sure you tell your neighbors that. Make sure you tell them where our office is, the highest in the world. The highest in the world, okay? Did I tell you? Well, I don't want to tell you the ISS at space. Who knows? We'll see. Ash Bafara next Friday. Huge, huge thing in Dubai. What did he say? You ain't seen nothing yet. You thought that was crazy. You haven't seen crazy. Can't wait for the next one. He'll let us know what that was. I'm sure in the next few weeks when that's going to happen. But my gosh, am I excited, all right? Guys, get people to this meeting today. Let's fire them up. Let's show them what we can do to change them. All right, I got to go. You know why? Because I got to go sand. All right, guys. I love every one of you. If I missed you in the comments, let me go back real quick. I will get you. I like trying to say everyone's name. Sometimes my computer jumps, and I apologize. Let's see. Rupa, Paul. There's another live master, my beautiful sister from India. Amin Malek, how you doing? Oh, Marcine, I was watching you dancing. All right, love the videos. Keep them coming. Don't stop. I know that was I believe it was a funeral, and you guys were rejoicing. Love seeing it. Man, I like seeing people's lives, guys. Put on some videos, guys. Show me what you got going on in your life. Show me what you're going to change. Get out tonight and tell me what you want to do, because that's what it's about. Fahir, Nasir. Okay. Tanha. I don't see Bill Must or John White. I'm firing both of them. All right, guys. Bill Must will be putting it on a YouTube. I do have my own YouTube channel. I support Bill Must 100%. He helped me with that 100%. And appreciate you sharing it out. All right, share this live. Let's get people fired up. I don't put links on here. If someone shares this video and you see my crazy big mouth screaming, why am I screaming? Because I want to get your attention. I want to get your attention for the person that's sharing this video and ask them all about Onpassive and what it's truly going to do for you. All right, I got to go. Thank you for all your support. I will see you tomorrow. Oh, I'll see you tonight at 9/2, but tomorrow on Passive 360 with Red, Marty, and myself. It'll be a lot of fun. Keep going, guys. Let's keep going. All right, I got to go. We'll see y'all later. Ciao. Did I tell you we're in Dubai? Ha ha ha! One more time. We will unpassive you. Woo! I'll see y'all later. Bye.